has the biggest market in the Volta region. This is Denu market. It's very hot. It's about 38 degrees today. Well, we'll be going back in there. We just want to go to the ATM and get some cash. Well, stay tuned. Okay. So, we came to a place in Denu. It's called Surprise, and they do amazing fufu here. So I ordered for fufu and a gotu and light soup and also some intestine. But I mean intestine is like the stomach things of the meat. Jay doesn't like that. Jay, do you like his intestine? And I have a local gin here. I think it's gin, right? Or tequila.
I think it's tequila.
Jay thinks it's tequila, right? When you drink it, you always have this face.
No, that's tequila.
You do that face, yes.
That's the tequila.
So when you come to Ghana, ask them if they have surabi. You know what they call it, surabi. Right, I think my food is here. Thank you. Thank you. So this is my food, guys. Diving. So this is the intestine. This is how it looks like. It's very, very thick. I don't know how soft it is. And this is the goat meat. This is the goat meat. And this is the paposhito. Noodle. I didn't order. 7 cities is quite big, you know. Oh my god. This goat meat is very soft. Tomorrow we're going to replicate this food at home. I think the meat is very soft, but there's a lot of bone. I think they kind of play me there. Now let's see how soft the intestine is. First try. Very chewy. Okay. I think it's good. Very, very good. It's very, very soft. From here, I'm going to the market. Very, very busy market. Then get home. I do some barbecue. Sister? yeast, baking powder. All right, so the name of this place is Surprise Inn. It's in Aflau. I'll try to see if I could put a description. There's a garage next to the Surprise Inn. Well, there's no car, so we have to get out. So
Yes.